try to
meaning
do,
if it's
yeah,
Asian, I
yeah,
forgot
no,
what it said.
most of the homeowners that try to do a modification, 85% will fail.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, that's what it was. Okay, any questions? It's from 9 to 5 both days. Like I said, we're gonna cover so much stuff. I don't care if you've done 20 deals, you've done 100 deals. I guarantee you, you'll come this week and you'll be like, wow, they teach a lot of stuff nobody teaches. And it's the glue that keeps the deals together. Because there's a lot of people that come in and teach you how to wholesale. But then you're gonna run to a house with no equity. You're gonna like, okay, I can't do anything with that, and you walk away. When there's so much money to be made on those deals, okay, and we're gonna show you how you make money on those deals. And right now, you don't have a lot of deals out there with no equity, but you still have people buying up here. And when a market starts to turn, that I talked about last night, people are buying up here, and all of a sudden now it's worth down here. Now you have no equity. You make your money on your buy. Okay? My son this year, when I went into this transplant